catch it between your pointer and your thumb, do a reverse chaplain. All right. When you get around to about here, you're gonna kind of let it fall on your pointer finger. And you're gonna do a reverse OG chap. Again, catch it between your pointer and your thumb. Do a reverse thumb roll, and that's the official move. What I like to do, reverse thumb roll, catch it like this, and then put your hand facing palm down, and then go like that, and then you're in a twirl. So my version is and here's the normal version in slow-mo.